How to create an account on PayPal. Our guest listening is to create an account on PayPal application. If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open PayPal on your mobile device. Once you open the app, you'll be able to see two options over here: login and sign up. You are looking to create an account, right? Click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, you will be forwarded to this section. Over here, write down your email address. Once you write down your email address, click on next. Now you need to create a strong password. Make sure that no one can steal it. Tap on next. You need to fill up your personal info like nationality, your first name, last name, and date of birth. After you fill up all these details, tap on next. After you write down your address, check this box to agree the terms and conditions. Now click on agree and create account. And that's it, guys. That's how you're gonna create an account on PayPal. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding PayPal, make sure to comment down below. Bye bye.